allegations लगाए गए हैं that this is mass genocide, that poison is being mixed, in the Yamuna water by the Haryana government. ये allegation बीजेपी नहीं लगा रही है, तो आम आदमी पार्टी लगा रही है ना बीजेपी के against. But let me take a response. Tuhin Sinha, you are rattled. You are scared of the Aam Aadmi Party.
Second, मैं respond कर देता हूँ, and I will repeat why I call them a party of educated illiterates. Now, they are behaving as if they were born yesterday. For the last 11 years, every year for a few hours or max for a day, the ammonia levels increase during winter. How is that addressed? By subsequent release of water in the same region or by enhanced filtration. Now, this is something these people don't understand. I don't believe it. Are they so dumb to repeatedly come on television and say we are murdering them? The record of Delhi government, 16 waterlogging deaths in the last 1 year, 26 electrocution deaths, and yet we don't say that they are murderers. They should have basic public decency when they exist as a political party.
Okay, let me bring in Smita Prakash. Now, Smita Prakash, is this just another example of shoot and scoot? Because in the past, we've heard Arvind Kejriwal say that they are going to kill me. उसके बाद multiple statements came in कि आतिशी को अरेस्ट करने वाले हैं. Now the allegation कि mass genocide plan हो रहा था, and that raids are being conducted at Bhagwant Man's residence.
Thank you, Swati. I think it's a lot of election rhetoric which is happening in high decibel levels. But to come back to the debate, I think the BJP spokesperson is probably right when he says that there is anger among Delhiites because the air is unbreathable, the water is undrinkable, the road is undrivable, the public spaces are encroached, the pavements are filled with garbage, and the stench is unbearable. Who will solve this issue? That's the basic question. Whether the people think that the BJP, if elected, which seems to them and to most people that it's a divided house and has been out of power for 27 years, will they get their act together if voted to power, and will they solve it? Or will it be the Aam Aadmi Party which has been in power for 11 years and yet not solved it? So, it's a Hobson's choice. What are you supposed to do if you're a Delhiite? As far as the Aam Aadmi Party and Kejriwal is concerned, it's really a battle of survival. From the stupendous highs that they've had in the earlier elections to come to this level where they're literally battling with Modi Shah on one side and the other side Akhilesh and Rahul Gandhi, and that also Congress coming in the last, just in the past 24 hours they've come, after getting out for duck in the earlier elections. It seems like a Hardik Pandya or a Jadeja coming in for the slog hours, batting out here, hoping that they can revive this battle if it is a battle for them, and just increase it. Kitna increase kar lenge? From 5%, 6%, they will maximum get to 9% vote. That's all. It's not a triangular fight. They've come in just too late. And as far as the Aam Aadmi Party is concerned, from 62 out of 70 which they had last time, this time the margin is going to get closer, and the best that the Aam Aadmi can hope for right now is nothing big happens in the past 7 days, and it can just sail through or carry through in the next 7 days without the BJP making any large gains.